Good day, everyone. I'm your science teacher, Teacher Rex. Our topic today is all about water. Water is very important to living things. Okay, students, do you still remember what are the living things? Living things are people, animals, and plants. People, animals, and plants need water to stay alive. Where do you think can we get water? These are the sources of water, or where we can get water. A well, hand pump, tap, lake, river, and rain. Okay, students, do you have any idea? What else are the other sources of water? Let's move on to the uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing our clothes, and brushing our teeth. How about you? How do you use water? We also use water in other ways. Examples: farmers water the plants to keep them healthy. And firemen use water to help them put out fires. And we can carry out many activities in the water, like windsurfing on the ocean and swim. Here are the ways to conserve water. We can conserve water by reducing, reusing, and recycling. These are the 3 R's. Reducing water. When we reduce the amount of water we use, we are using less water. Examples: wash vegetables in a tub of water instead of under a running tap. Another one, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Next is reusing water. When we reuse water, we are using it again. Examples: after washing fruits, we can collect the water and reuse it to water the plants. Another one, after rinsing our clothes, we can reuse the water to flush or wash the toilet. Lastly is recycling water. Water can be treated and cleaned to be used again as clean water. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and healthy.